21. Applying for a mortgage loan. Context. A customer visits the bank to apply for a home loan. Hi, I'm planning to buy an apartment and I'd like to apply for a mortgage loan. That's great. Do you already have a property in mind? Yes, I found one for $200,000. I'd like to know how much I can borrow. That depends on your income and credit score. Do you have any existing loans? I have a car loan, but I always pay on time. That's good. Based on your income, you qualify for a mortgage of up to $150,000. Okay, what's the interest rate? For a 20-year term, the fixed rate is 5.2% per annum. If you choose a variable rate, it may change over time but could be lower initially. I prefer a fixed rate for stability. What's the monthly payment? Around $1,000 per month, including principal and interest. That sounds manageable. What documents do I need? Your ID, proof of income, tax returns, and property details. Got it. I'll bring them tomorrow. Perfect. We'll start processing your loan application right away. 22. Foreign currency exchange inquiry. Context. A customer visits the bank to exchange USD to euro for a trip to Europe. Hi, I need to exchange some US dollars to euros. Sure. How much would you like to exchange? Around $1,500. What's today's exchange rate? It's 1 USD equals 0.91 euro, so you'll receive approximately 1,365 euros. Okay, are there any fees? If you exchange more than $1,000, we charge a small service fee of $10. That's fine. Can I get a mix of small and large bills? Of course. Would you like some 50 euro and 20 euro notes? Yes, that would be perfect. Here's your cash. Please count it and sign the receipt. Everything looks good. Thanks for your help. My pleasure. Have a great trip. 23. Applying for a personal loan. Context. A customer asks about taking out a personal loan for home renovations. Hi, I'd like to apply for a personal loan to renovate my house. Certainly. How much do you need to borrow? Around $10,000. We offer different loan terms. Would you prefer a 12-month or 24-month repayment plan? What's the interest rate for a 24-month term? It's 6.5% per annum. Your monthly payment would be approximately $450. That seems reasonable. What do I need to apply? Just your ID, proof of income, and a recent utility bill for address verification. Okay, how long does it take for the loan to be approved? If everything is in order, approval takes 1 to 2 days. That's great. Let's start the process. Excellent. Let me get the application form for you. 24. Inquiring about a student loan. Context. A student visits the bank to ask about financing options for tuition fees. Hi, I'm going to university next year and need a student loan. Could you explain the options? Absolutely. Do you need funding for tuition only or also for living expenses? Both, if possible. We offer student loans that cover tuition, accommodation, and other expenses. How much do you need? Around $15,000 per year. Our student loan has a low interest rate of 3.8% and flexible repayment options. Payments start 6 months after graduation. That sounds good. What do I need to apply? You'll need proof of university enrollment, your ID, and a cosigner if you don't have a steady income. Okay, my parents can cosign. How long does approval take? About a week. We'll review your application and notify you. Sounds good. I'll bring the documents soon. Great. Looking forward to assisting you. 25. Closing a bank account. Context. A customer wants to close their account after moving abroad. Hi, I'd like to close my savings account. I'm sorry to hear that. May I ask why you're closing it? I'm moving abroad and won't be using it anymore. I understand. Do you have any remaining balance in the account? Yes, around $500. Can I withdraw it now? Absolutely. I'll process the account closure and you can withdraw your funds in cash or transfer them to another account. I prefer cash, please. No problem. Please sign this closure request form. Done. Is there anything else I need to do? That's all. Your account is now closed. Let us know if you need our services in the future. Thanks. You've been very helpful. You're welcome. Safe travels. Reporting a lost or stolen credit card. Context. A customer calls the bank's customer service to report a lost credit card. Hi, I need to report my credit card is lost. I think I left it at a restaurant last night. I'm sorry to hear that. Let's secure your account immediately. Can I have your card number or account number? I don't have my card, but my account number is 102345679. Got it. I'm blocking your card now to prevent unauthorized transactions. Would you like a replacement card? Yes, please. How long will it take to receive it? It usually takes 5 to 7 business days. We can send it to your registered address. That works. Do I need to update my automatic payments? Yes, once you receive the new card, you'll need to update your card details for any recurring payments. Understood. Can you check if there were any unauthorized transactions? I see your last transaction was at Bella Restaurant for $85. Do you recognize that? Yes, that was me. Nothing else? No, everything looks fine, but if you notice any suspicious activity later, let us know immediately. Will do. Thanks for your help. You're welcome. Your new card will be on the way soon. Requesting a loan payment extension. Context. A customer visits the bank to request an extension on their personal loan payment. Hi, I have a personal loan with your bank, and I'm having some financial difficulties this month. Can I get a payment extension? I'm sorry to hear that. Let me check your account. Okay, your next payment of $300 is due in 5 days. How much more time do you need? I just need an extra 2 weeks to make the payment. I understand. We do offer a payment extension option, but there's a small fee of $25. Would that be okay? Yes, that's fine. Will this affect my credit score? No, as long as the payment is made within the extended period. I'll process your request now. Thanks. Can I set up a reminder so I don't miss the new due date? Absolutely. We'll send you an SMS 3 days before the new deadline. That would be great. I really appreciate your help. Anytime. Let us know if you need any further assistance. 28. Requesting a business loan for expansion. Context. A business owner visits the bank to apply for a loan to expand their business. Hi, I'm looking to expand my restaurant and need a business loan. That's great. How much funding are you looking for? Around $50,000 to renovate and add more seating capacity. We can certainly assist. Do you have a business plan and financial statements? Yes, I have my profit and loss statement and tax returns from the past 2 years. Perfect. Based on your business performance, you qualify for a loan of up to $60,000 at an interest rate of 5.8% per annum. That sounds good. What's the repayment period? You can choose between 3 to 7 years. A longer term means lower monthly payments, but you'll pay more interest over time. I think a 5-year term would be best. What's the process for applying? Just complete this application form and submit your financial documents. Approval typically takes 7 to 10 business days. Sounds good. Let's get started. 29. Handling a suspicious transaction alert. Context. A bank representative calls a customer to verify a suspicious transaction. Hello, this is Alex from XYZ Bank's fraud prevention team. Am I speaking with Mr. Johnson? Yes, this is Johnson. We noticed an unusual transaction on your credit card. Did you recently make a $1,500 purchase at Luxury Watches online? No, I didn't. That's not my transaction. Understood. We have temporarily frozen your card to prevent further unauthorized activity. Would you like us to issue a chargeback? Yes, please. What happens next? We'll investigate the charge, and if confirmed fraudulent, refund the amount to your account. You'll also receive a replacement card. Okay, thank you. Should I change my online banking password? Yes, we recommend updating your password and enabling 2-factor authentication. Will do. Thanks for catching this. No problem. Your financial security is our priority. Setting up a joint account. Context. A couple visits the bank to open a joint account for household expenses. Hi, we'd like to open a joint account to manage our shared expenses. That's a great idea. Will both of you be making deposits and withdrawals? Yes, we both want equal access to the account. Understood. Would you prefer a checking account or a savings account? A checking account would be better since we'll be paying bills from it. Great. You'll both need to provide identification and proof of address. Here are our IDs and utility bills. Perfect. Do you want a joint debit card as well? Yes, that would be useful. All right, your joint account will be active by tomorrow, and your debit cards will arrive within a week. Excellent. Thanks for your help. Anytime. Welcome to our bank.